Anyhow, from one of our more vocal members to one of our quieter members, Ernie Duncan, again from the northeast, who's going to tell you about a wee Kirk goose.
I'm a wee Kirk moose. I haven't got a name, but yon muckle Kirk at the corner is my name. With the cock in the steeple and the bell that gangs down, and I wish it was big enough to go it gear ring. I can sing all the psalms, I can say all the prayers, and a while do a dance up and down the pulpit stairs. I ken all the texts, I can find them in the book, and there's mony a human being with no notion where to look. When the minister says firstly, and the folk all settle down, I go creeping, and I'm on the Sunday shoe. And I'm wishing as I'm drinking for the passes to the pew, that I'll maybe drap a pan drop, or a peppermint to chew. For I'm sometimes awfully hungry, and there's nothing much to eat, except the paraphrases or a hymn book for a treat. I've eaten the old hunter, I've chewed the Beatitudes, but I can't say I've found the tastiest of foods. I'm a wee Kirk moose. I haven't got a name, but I'm really quite contented. It's just my empty way, so I'm hoping that some Sunday, would you mind about me, please? And bring me your Bible, just a wee bit taste of cheese.